How to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Amazon app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the main page of the Amazon. Now what you want to do is click on search at the very top. Now here search for Amazon Reload. Go to the one where it says Amazon's Choice. In some instances, you might not see the Amazon's Choice option. What you can do is look for the image like this, and then you can see the Reload Now option at the top. Now click on Amazon Reload, then on Reload Now. As you can see, we are in Amazon's Choice. Now scroll down for a bit here. What you want to do is go down to the bottom where you can choose a denomination, or you can go ahead and type in other. So this is where you want to put in the amount you have on the Visa gift card. So let's say you have $50 balance in Visa gift card. Now tap on buy now. Here under add a payment method, you can see add a credit or debit card option. Simply select that. Now here enter the card number, expiration date, security code and the name on the card. If the Visa gift card says a gift for you, you can put that or just your name. After putting all the information, tap on add and continue. From there you can complete the purchase, adding that money into your gift card balance. So that is how you can add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.